Riwruok ma ok mar piny owacho mar Claudia Maisabwa ochopo e kaunti ma Samburu mar Twak kod jopuonjre manyiri ewi yie mohiu. E sikund sekondar ma Mwangaza Muslim, kama ne gitwakie malach kod jopuonjre manyiri, gipuonjo ber ritruok makare ok mana ne geng'o iye ma ohiu to kata mana geng'o tuoche mag abuba kod ayaki. E gwenge kata jogweng' kod jopuonj bende ne opuoyo okang' ma kamano magikoni biro konyo e duoko piny iye ma ohiu ma medore e gwenge makono.
And I'm here today on behalf of Claudia Maisabwa Initiative to reach out to girls like me and to tell them that you can get to where you want to be. You can be whoever you want to be. You don't need to sleep with any man. You don't need to cut yourself short. You have every right to push and strive to get where you want to get.
Because we're here to change the mindset of these teenagers and just to try and make them understand that they have a future. Not only just getting married just after school. I mean, what's the point of learning then if you're just going to get married off, you know? We want to change that mindset. And of course, just reduce these teenage pregnancies because we have a lot in future for them.
Teenage pregnancy is something that really affects education. There are a number of ways. One, it might lead to dropout. You might find a situation where a number of girls who become mothers at a young age decide not to continue with education because of stigma that is attached with having a baby and other girls in school or other boys talking about them. We also have cases where some of them decide not to continue well in class because they are thinking about their children at home and all that. So they get a lot of other issues.